All right, you might be broke down. We got a real serious problem here. Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. We are just about to enter the Great Sandhills here in southern Saskatchewan. I have no idea what to expect. We're just going to explore. We're actually going to meet up with my sister. She's coming from the Calgary area, so we should bump into each other and explore this. Let's go. Follow my sister on Instagram. Hey guys, hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey Jack. So this is what my sister drives. She's a true outdoors woman. The dunes back there. What do you guys think, fam? All right, you might be broke down. We got a real serious problem here. Ooh, I think I went all the way through. I'm just kidding. Of course I could handle that. You want to go for a ride in my truck?
Yeah.
You want me to spin the tires?
Yeah.
All right. I love you.
Love you too. I love your guys.
All right, we're leaving the great Sandhills here in southern Saskatchewan. I'd never been there before, like I mentioned. It was really nice catching up with my sister, my niece, and my nephew, having some family time. Unfortunately, we weren't able to drive on the dunes. It is a protected area. We suspected that, but we found out for certain when we got here. However, we did fool around a little bit on the sandy roads, toured a little bit, looked around, got you some footage. Really enjoyed taking my nephew for a little ride. He really likes anything to do with cars and trucks and exhausts, and anyway, it reminds me of myself when I was younger. A little bit of a Evel Knievel, if you will. And we brought a friend back with us, so we have that cactus stuck on the front tire. We're gonna leave it there, see if it can make it 3 hours home. But if you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time. He didn't make it, our little buddy.